Namaskaraha.
Namaskaraha.
Sarvebhya.
Yeah, we were just having some fun with Bhagavad Gita here. So,
I had given that question to Gauri too.
you gave that question to Gauri Mahadaya also. Very
Yeah,
good.
yes.
Very good. Very good. So, everyone
And
must
she
become
had
a Vedanti here.
her way of interpretation was also good. She also had something else to say about it. Yesterday we had a real voicemail from one end to the other about it.
Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Okay, let's start the class for now. What is my screen? Okay. Okay. शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये दोर्भियुक्ता चतुर्भिस्फटिकमणिमयीं मक्षमालां दधान हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिदिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकेर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को नयाति पराङ्गतिं गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायणमहामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजं यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं वैदेही सहितं सुरद्रुमतले हैमे महामण्टपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने संस्थितम् अग्रे वाचेति प्रभञ्जनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभ्यः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलं नमोऽस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यः नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः हरिः ओम्। नमस्काराः सर्वेभ्यः सुस्वागतम्।
नमस्कारः।
प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? केनचन प्रश्नाः? प्रश्नः नास्ति?
There is, of course, I know it is not now. There is one word, Vishrasaha or something, or which it had written at Prathama Purusha.
Which one? What is the word?
1 second, I'm looking for it. Vishrasaha or Virasaha or something like that.
Vivasayamasa.
Vivasayamasa.
No, it was.
That is a verb.
Vivasayamasa.
No, that is a verb. She's talking of a Prathama Vibhakti.
Yeah, it said Prathama Vibhakti, but it is Shishiraha or something.
Shiraskaha. Mahoshiraskaha. Is that the word?
Yeah, but Shiras, and it had written it is Prathama Vibhakti. I didn't. And when I saw it on Samsadhini, it said Shiraha is Prathama Vibhakti. But it is Shiraha, and then they have written as Prathama Vibhakti in the book. That's why I wanted to know.
Okay, let me know about it. We'll discuss that. No problem. Okay. Now, for a minute, what I'm going to do is let's go through this. Okay. 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 This is the lot lakara for karmani prayoga. We saw this earlier, but I'm just repeating it so that we can all form some sentences around this today to begin with. Then we'll move to Ramayana. Okay. Pathyatam, pathyetam, pathyantam. Pathyasva, pathyetam, pathyadvam. Patyai, patyavahai, patyamahai. Okay. Is this, are there any doubts on this? Can we start forming some question, this one on this? Some sentences?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
We can do that?
Yes.
Okay. Let me do one thing. Hold on there. Let me just do this and take, yeah. Okay. Okay. Each of you, okay, let me share the screen. Okay. One sentence, please, from each of you. Who wants to start? Sushila Madhya, why don't you start?
Yeah. I'm finding it difficult to do with Karmani Prayoga.
No, start with the Kartari Prayoga only. Give a sentence.
Ramaha Patham Patati.
Ramaha, Kutra Patatir Patam.
Vidyalaye Patham Patati.
Vidyalaye, Kimartham Patam Patati.
Vidyalaye?
Kimartham Patam Patati.
Kimartham Uchaihi or how? Yeah.
He is for what purpose?
Samskritam. For what purpose?
Jnanartham.
Jnanartham.
Jnanaya. Jnanaya. Let's say Jnanaya. Jnanartham athva Jnanaya.
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 Patham Patati.
Let me add one more. Hastena
Pustakam Grihitva
Patham
Patati.
Okay. Anybody wants to make this into a Karmani Prayoga?
Patham will be Ramena.
Okay, you only want to try? Okay, let's say. Okay, Ramena.
Pathaha Patyate. That is the word. That is the
Pathaha Patyate. Very nice. That is the smart way of doing it. So basically, get your Karmani form right, then add all the bells and whistles. Okay. Vidyalaya. Then I can just copy all this. That's all. None of this will change. Okay. Essentially, this Pustakam, if you see, is also in karma.
Yeah.
But since this Pustakam is going with Grihitva, it will not change. Okay.
So the main thing is Patham. Because the Brahma is what is reading.
Right. Okay. So I'll start putting this blue will be Kartari and this maroon will be Karmani. Okay. Okay. Who wants to go next? Gauri Madhya.
Balakaha pustakam neetva grihe granthaha likhati.
Apanat neetva.
Okay, apanat, but
I can do that.
Apanat. Balakaha apanat pustakam neetva grihe granthaha likhati.
Grantham likhati kila?
Grantham.
Yeah, grantham likhati, it will become grantha. Sorry.
Okay. Grantham likhati. Balaka apanat pustakam neetva. Let's do a simpler thing, no? Why neetva?
No, this is easier. Balakena apanat pustakam neetva grihe granthaha Agachyate.
I know. I want to complicate it. I don't want simple.
Okay, you
I don't
said
like simple
easier.
things.
I thought you wanted easier.
Easier, yeah.
Griham agachat.
Okay.
Griham agachati.
Nitva graham agachati. Okay. So balakena apanat pustakam nitva griham agamyate.
Correct.
Agamyate.
Griham is napumsakalingam, so it stays just that.
Correct. You're right. Okay. Bonus question. Where all will there be any Sandhi in this? Sandhi. Identify Sandhis.
Grihama, there.
Nitva is tva pratyay, no? Nitva is pratyay.
Nitva is only Twanta, no? Twanta pratyay.
Grihama gamyate, there will have Sandhi.
Is upasarga.
No, 1 minute. Gauri Madhya Bhavati Vadatu.
Grihama gamyate, there will have a Sandhi.
Will we have a Sandhi there?
Oh my God. No. It won't be Sandhi. It will be only, changing to, Dirgham. That's all. Sorry. Last week we saw, yeah. Grihama gamyate.
That's all. This is not a Sandhi. There is one Sandhi here. Identify the Sandhi. Who can identify the Sandhi in this? Nilima Mahodaya will identify. She knows the Sandhi. There is a Sandhi in this sentence. We need to join that.
Pustakam Nitva. Can you join that?
Where is the Sandhi happening? No?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll give you another hint.
Balakaha Visarga plus.
No. I'm talking of this one.
Sorry.
Okay, Ashwini Mahodaya will come to you in a minute. I'm talking about this sentence, not the first one. Okay, Subramani Mahodaya, you were saying something.
No, sir. Balakena Habhyam Akaranta.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Yes. Ashwini Mahodaya, you wanted to add anything to it?
No, sir.
Ashwini Mahodaya? Next year.
Na you had to do. Balake na pana.
This will become. Yes, Ashwini Mahodaya, tell me. Parvati Mahodaya.
Is it Gamyate or Gamyata? Agamyata.
Agamyate.
Past tense or?
No. This case, it will be Agamyate, Agamyate, Agamyete, Agamyante, Agamyate, Agamyete, Agamyadve, Agamye, Agamyadve, Agamyavahe, Agamyahe. Okay, that is how it will be. Agamyate. And that is going with this sorry, what did I do? This should be here. Nitva Gruham. It will go with Gruham. It will Gruham Atra Pratibha Purusha Ekavachanam Bhavishyati. Atra Gruham Dvitiya Vachana Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam Asti. Okay? Parvati Mahodaya, you want to try now?
But why this balake na panat?
That is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Okay.
Akara, if you look at this, Nakara plus Akara plus Akara. Akara plus Akara is Akara. Correct?
Yes.
Right. So that is right.
So when we write, we have to write balake na panat only, or
Yes.
this is also
No, you'll have to write it this way. Balakenaapanat. Graham agamyate. This way you have split it. It should not be. It should be put as this way. Agamyate. Okay. Parvati Mohdaya ekam vakyam diyatu.
Vayam Samskritam
Samskrutam.
Vayam Samskritam
Vayam
Samskritam Patyamahe.
Vayam Samskritam Patamaha.
Patyamaha.
Let's go. Let's start with this one. No?
Yeah, okay.
Start with Kartari.
Yeah.
Vayam Samskritam Patamaha.
Patamaha.
Kutra Patamaha?
Asha Seva Kendra.
Grihe.
Astu. Asha Seva Kendre. Arsha Seva Kendre. Vayam Arsha Seva Kendre.
Online, how do you say? Dure. Online. Durena?
Antarjale.
Yeah, Antarjale.
That we can say Drasya. Antarjale.
Kaksha, you can add Kakshaya.
Antarjala. Okay, I will do it. Antarjala.
Kakshaya.
Yam. Antarjala Kakshayam. Okay. Samskritam Patamaha. Uttama. Okay. Okay. Now, Bhavati Eva Vadatu. Tell this one for this.
Sure. Vayam will become Asmakam.
Asmakam va?
Asmabihi.
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 Bihi.
Samskritam.
Samskrutam.
Patiye.
Now comes the question. What should it be?
Patiye.
No. It will not be Patye. Who wants to answer this?
Patyamahe.
Oh yeah, Patyamahe.
Patyamahe.
Will it be that? Gauri Mohdaya is laughing. So I'll give Vijaya Mohdaya a chance, then we can go to Gauri Mohdaya.
Patyamahe.
Okay, Patyavahe. Then
Vayam is
Mohdaya. Okay, Ramya Mohdaya.
Patyamahe only, I think.
Patyamahe only. Okay. Ashwini Mohdaya.
Or Patishyamahe. Okay. Patishyamahe.
Ashwini Mohdaya Bhavati Mukham Asti. Bhavatiyaha. This not there. Okay. Nilima Mohdaya.
No idea, sir. I've been out
No, you are on mute. Ashwini Mohdaya, you are on mute. Bhavatyaha Dhanimudrika Mukham Asti. Okay. Okay. Now we'll go back to Gauri Mohdaya, who has the answer.
Patyamahai.
Patyamahai. Okay. Why Patyamahai? What should
because
it?
That's what you. That was the. I mean, in the screen first you showed it was there, so I memorized.
You memorized that, but that is Lot Lakara. We are looking at Lat Lakara.
Yeah, why? That's no.
But Lot, we are not being ordered to do.
No. Excuse me. Lot lakaram, when it comes to us, it is like letters. It becomes letters.
Correct.
You should
but
all
here we are not saying. Here we are not saying letters.
Letters also.
Here all that we are saying, we are studying Sanskritam. We study Sanskritam.
When it comes to karmani prayogaha, how do you exactly change that in English? Sanskritam is been or studied by us.
Sanskritam is being studied by us. Correct.
If
Absolutely.
the Sanskritam studied by us, that would be the exact meaning in the Lot Lakaram Karmani.
Okay, let's try again. Okay, I'll put it out. Then you tell me why this should be the case.
Okay.
We'll add the other bells and whistles.
Patyate.
Patyate.
Okay, Sanskritam is by, we have to go by.
Yes,
Karma
yes.
has to go
Vayam.
by,
No, yes.
Karma,
You're right.
Karmam.
What is
Sanskrit.
karma pada? Karma pada should become karta.
Correct.
Okay.
Vayam will become.
Okay, be careful about this. This is where we all will commit mistakes.
So we're so
Yes,
used
yes.
to correct.
If the in the kartari prayoga, if the karta is not aham or tvam, it's okay, straightforward. It is not a problem. The moment it becomes ashmat pada or yushmat pada or sambodhana, it can go for a toss. So be very, very careful about this. Okay. Patyate asmabhihi Asha Seva Kendrasya Antarjalayam Samskritam Patyate. Okay. Bonus question again. Sandhi asti va atra?
Antarjala kakshayam.
Antarjala kakshayam sandhi nasti.
Ekapadam.
Na atra kepi sandhi na sandhi. Earlier it was. Okay. Is this a sandhi?
Visarga Santi.
Atra asti va? Visarga sandhi is there, but we'll for the time being keep it out. Because we have not studied Visarga sandhi, we'll keep it out. It will become asmabhir arsha.
Okay.
Vayam arsha.
Here, is there a sandhi here?
No.
No, there's
No, there will be no sandhi here.
Vayam is there is no there, no?
Yes.
Vayam.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, Chitra Mahodaya, Bhavati Dadatu. Ekam Vakyam. Give a sentence.
Aham Vidyalayam
Aham Vidyalayam
Gachami.
Chami. Okay. Aham Kasmat Vidyalayam Gachami.
Yahanat.
Gruhat.
Patanartham.
Gruhat. You are going from home, no? Patanartham.
Yanena.
Tam Pratanartham Yanena. In Yana, are you doing anything else?
Mitraihi saha.
Mitraihi saha. Mitraihi saha. Vegena.
Vichakra Vahane.
Yanena is over. We will put it here. Dvichakrikaya. Okay.
7 o'clock.
Dvichakrikaya. Mitraihi. Then if it is Dvichakrikaya, Mitraihi saha is not possible. Okay, it can be only one Mitra, no? Because you can't go in a two-wheeler, you can't go with many.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's right.
Okay, then we'll do it. Chakrikaya.
Chatuchak. Karaya.
Simple. That's why it becomes very simple. All you need to do is Vichakrikaya, you need to make it Chakrikaya. That's all. I can make it Shat Chakrikaya and say Janaihi Saha. Six-wheeler. I can have a bus with a six-wheeler and take so many people with it. So simple. Mitraihi Saha. Saptavadane. Okay. Pratava Sayankaleva. Okay. Vidyalayam gacchami.
Pratakale.
Uttamam.
Pratah kale or pratah will do?
Pratah kale. Okay, let's make it pratah kale. What is that? Okay. Now,
Even if you write pratah, it means pratah kale only, no?
pratah kale and pratah will mean the same thing, so it is okay. Okay, now tell me the
Maya.
Maya.
Last is Maya. Grihat Patanatham Chatur Chakrikaya Mitraihi Saha Vegena Pratah Kale Saptavadane Vidyalayam Gacheta
Gamyate.
Gamyati.
Vidyalaya Gamyate. Correct. All these will remain the same. Nothing will change of this. Okay. Okay.
Sir, it is too small.
It is too small for you. Okay. I'll increase this.
Yeah, no, no, it's all right. I can.
No. I don't want
it in my head.
I don't want to trouble anybody's eyes. Nothing. It's all. Let it be good. We'll do the next one. Okay. Okay. Let me give you this one.
Mahodaya, this suppose if we write exam, tomorrow if you give test, if you write, this is only Karmani Prayoga. What type of person it will come to write?
First of all, you need to identify whether it is a Karmani Prayoga or a Kartari Prayoga. That's the simplest question that anybody can ask you. Okay. Then put one. You can be given a Kartari Prayoga and asked to make a Karmani Prayoga out of it. That's the second form. Then the third form will be to identify the Kriya Pada and put it there. Then we'll do Kridantas, which will also take some Karmani Prayogas. Janaihi Shrutaha. Janaihi Ramanama Shrutaha. We read that, no? Was heard by people. Shrutaha is a Karmani form there. Okay.
Mahodaya, 1 minute. When we started with Lot Lakaram, right? But we are changing now to Lat Lakaram.
We are doing Lat Lakaram. We'll also go to Lot Lakaram.
Okay. So, suddenly I got confused. That's why Mahai. I was thinking, why did I go there? And then I went back and so, I memorized the slide you showed in Lot Lakaram. Suddenly I changed.
Yeah, that was a trick part, no? So that became a trick part. Okay, no problem. I'll give you something now. Wait. Okay. 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 Yes. Now change this.
Matra. Mam Padati. No.
Okay, 1 minute. Now Gauri Mahodaya, try this.
Matra, Mam. So you want me to change to Lat or Lot?
Whatever. You see this one and change it, because Lat and Lot cannot go together. Unlike Lung and Lat, there is no confusion between Lat and Lot. Lot is a very different concept. No, it is Agya.
Matra, Mam, Vadati. So, Matra, Mam. Okay, Pataha Patatu iti is Lot.
Yeah, only that
means
is Lot. Yeah.
Matra mam vadati. Should remain.
Vadati would be
Vadati, vadeta.
No, why?
Will become who, no?
Mata mam vadati.
Okay.
Patah patayata. Patyata.
Okay. We'll come back to you. Ashwini Mahodaya, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Now you want to try this?
Okay. Matra, mam.
Karmapadam kim matra? Mata mam vadati. Karmapadam kim?
Aham.
Matra aham.
Matra, aham. Right. Aham.
Yudyate.
Vandyate.
Vadyate va?
No. Udyate.
Vadeta.
No.
Udyate.
Done Vadyate, Vadeta and all that.
Patyate, no, vadyate, no.
Vadati, she said it becomes uch dhatu.
Yeah.
Aham,
become
patye, vadye,
Vadyatam.
vadye.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. What should this one? Okay, you just give me the Purusha and Lakara, Purusha and Vachana for the Kriya Padam. I'll put that in the right. What should the Purusha and Vachana
Aham means it has to be Uttama Purusha.
Okay. Mata. Okay, Karmani. Okay. Yes. Uttama.
Udye.
Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam it has to be.
So it will be Uchye.
Okay.
Because Uchyate, Uchyete, Uchyante. Uchyase, Uchyete, Uchyadve. Uchye, Uchyavahe, Uchyamahe. Matra aham uchye.
Sure.
Now try put this in the right form.
Patah patatu.
Patyatam.
Ramya Mahodaya, want to try?
I think the Pataha Patatu itself
Two
is,
should be the same. Yeah,
not,
Pataha
that
patatu.
itself is not correct. No.
Patham
Patam Patatu.
patatu. Okay, patham patatu. Yes.
Patam patyatam.
Okay, let me put it this way. That will make it. Tvam patham patatu. Tvam patham, not patatu.
Pata.
Patha. Tvam patham patha.
Tvam patam patasva.
Why should we change that? That's what she said.
Patatu. This is in Lot Lakara. Do we all agree?
Yes.
Yes.
So this has to become Lot. This form has to take a Lot Lakara Karmani form.
That's what. So pate, aswa.
Patasva.
Now, what should change? What is the karta? Who is the karta? 1 minute. Sushila Mahodaya, let Ramya Mahodaya answer.
Tvaya patam patasva.
Tvaya
Pataha
pataha.
patasva.
Why will it be patasva? What is the new karta now?
Pataha.
Tvaya.
Oh God.
No, Mahodaya, I'm not getting.
So, okay. This is not Yushmad or Asmad or Yushmad. Pataha. It should become Pataha. What will it be?
It's like Ramaha, right?
Correct. So for Ramaha gacchati, no? So gacchati
Pataha
is,
patati.
so
Patati, but here it will become patatam.
Patyatam. Patyatam. That is what we saw, no? Here, I'll just show you that. Here, this one.
Yeah, we should have
Patyatam. Ramaha patati. Ramaha patyatam. Correct?
Okay.
So why are we changing what is in brackets?
Huh?
Because it's an exercise, why are we changing what is in quotes?
It's an exercise to.
Okay, just because it's an exercise, yeah, but otherwise it should.
No, it is the same thing.
No.
Aya patah patyatam.
Okay.
Let the lesson be read by you. May the lesson be read by you. Mother, something was said to me by the mother.
Yeah.
Let the lesson be read by you.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah,
Okay,
but
we need some
generally I thought
practice
what
on
was
this.
in quotes, we just keep it as is.
Huh?
I thought if it is in quotes, we have to preserve, keep it as is.
No, not necessarily. We can change that. That is not a problem.
Okay.
It
So
can
we basically change the entire sentence, whether inside or outside, to karmani.
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay.
That is the exercise, yeah. So what I will do, I think everybody needs practice on this. Do we all agree?
Yes.
Okay. Can I put up some homework for this?
Yes.
So what I will do, I will put up some homework so that everybody can do it. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions? Anything to be asked? Any other thoughts? Before we move to Ramayanam? No? Shall we move to Ramayanam?
Yes, sir.
What I will do is, by this weekend, I'll try to put up some 20 set of 20 or 30 sentences. Okay? For each of the Latlakara, for each of the Kartari Prayoga and Karmani Prayoga, you have to transform them to the other form. Is that okay? Okay. Where are we with the Vishnu Sahasranamam?
Oh my God. Please
What
don't
do you
ask
want?
that only. That's too difficult. Half the things we are not getting. I have done only about 150 or 200.
Okay, send me whatever you people have done. Let's start from there. Okay? Yeah. Ashwini Madhya, you had raised your hand. You wanted something?
Sir, this lot lakara and lat lakara is very confusing.
Okay. What is the confusion?
Sir, everything. Like
Everything. Okay. Karmani Prayoga in general is like that. Is that so?
Sir, like Kartari and Karmani, yes.
Kartari and Karmani are like that. I'll give you practice. I'll give you an exercise to practice. Come back to me after that. Then we will discuss it in detail. Okay. Then we will see whether there is any real challenge or anything. Yeah. So let's move to our.
Or
Okay.
Maudya, we can first change Kartari to Latlakara Karmani. From there, we can go to Lot Lakara.
Lord, yes.
Yeah,
That's
I'll give you both. I'll give you both. I'll give you Kartari Lat to begin with and change that to Karmani Lat. Then we'll give you Karmani. I'll also give you Karmani Lat. Change that to Kartari Lat.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That I think yes.
Then we'll move to the next one. Is that okay?
Mahodaya, in simple words, can you put while changing or converting what we need to see and looking the same word, what we have to, whether we have to see that karmani or the doer or that is
So I
only.
think that we have discussed about about 5-6 classes back.
Yes.
The rule is simple. If it is Kartari Prayoga, Karta always, okay, the rule is very, very simple. Whatever is the Karta, the Kriya Pada will follow the Karta. Whether it's Karmani or Kartari.
Follow karta.
Okay. In Kartari Prayoga, Karta is Pradhana. Rama is eating. Rama is more important here. Okay.
Yeah.
Whereas, if I say the food was eaten by Rama,
Food does become
the
important.
importance is on the food. The emphasis is on the food.
Yeah.
Ramena bhojanam kriyate. Ramaha bhojanam khadati. Okay. Ramena bhojanam khadyate. Bhojanam happens to be Napunsakalinga, so both of them happen to be the same thing. Ramaha patham patati. Ramena pataha patyate.
So always we will see the third one. Instrumental thing only we'll see, right? Tritiya like that.
Tritiya.
No, whenever you are changing from kartari to karmani, the whoever was karta, the pradhana will become karana. That is the tritiya
Karana.
vibhakti. Okay, and the karma pada will become the karta pada.
Oh, Prathama.
Yeah.
Ramaha patham pathyate. What is the karta in this?
Karta is Rama.
Rama. Karma
Patati.
patham. Correct. Pathati is the kriya pada.
Mm-hmm.
Kriya pada will always going with Rama in this case. Correct. Ramaha prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. So patati will be prathama purusha ekavachanam. Correct.
Yes.
Now when I change this to karmani, Ramena
Karana.
karana pataha, that becomes karta. Because the emphasis is on pata now. Karta will always get emphasis. Okay. Pataha pathyate. Because pataha pathyate. Pataha is karta, no?
Yeah.
Pathyate, patyate, patyate. That if you see, that is the... Yeah. So it should always be that. We have done this about 4-5 classes back. If you revise
So
that...
all three we need to change then, right?
Yes. All three need change.
Unless it's
Or rather, these are the
Bhagavad
only 3 words which need to get changed. Let me be clear about it.
Yes.
This karta, karma, and kriya only we have to see.
Only these 3 have to change. You can't change the sampradana, apadana, and all those things. Okay?
Mahodaya, Tritiya Vibhakti 1-1. Tritiya Vibhakti, Prathama Vibhakti.
Correct. So there will be no karma pada will be gauna in this. Okay?
What is gauna?
Not very important one.
Okay.
Because that takes the karta form, no? Karmani prayoga. Yes, Jai Balambika Mahodaya, you had a question.
Mahodaya, this is regarding that Vishnu Sahasranama assignment which you have given. We have to submit it on November 20th, but I've hardly finished, hardly reached even half.
Whatever you have done, first send it over, then we will take a call on what has happened.
Okay, Mahodaya.
Okay.
I haven't even started.
Very interesting. Ashwini Mahodaya, you had raised your hand.
Sir, for this prayoga, no, I think we I have to do with only karta, karma, and kriya, but for practice, we add other vibhaktis, then it will get it's more confusing.
We'll start with kartari lat. Okay. Other vibhaktis will just see. That's what I said. Whenever you say karta, karma, and kriya pada, then start from there. You can add the sampradana, karana, apadana, etc. later. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, that will not change at all. None of those will change.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move to Ramayanam?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is what I asked. Ajanubahuhu Sushiraha Sulalata Suvikrama. The 10th sloka.
Sushiraha is ekavachana karta. Sushiras. That's why Sushiraha.
Sushiras. So Sushiraha, Sushiraro, Sushira. That how is it?
Yes. So there is a. I'll send you that this one. Samsadini, you look it up. You will get.
Yeah,
that.
I saw in. I couldn't see Sushira. Only I saw Shira because
Shiras. If you see Shiras, you will get it.
But then it has Shiraha, Shirau, Shiraha. It is given.
Okay. No. That is different. I'll send you the link. That is a different one.
Okay.
This is Sushiraha. That is Sushiras. That's why it is that way. Okay.
Because it's given Sakaranta Pullinga Ekavachana.
Yes, Sakaranta Pullinga. That is how it will be. Yes. Okay, I'll just recite the first 20 shlokas, then we'll move to the next this one. Okay. Om tapaswadhyaya niratam tapasvi vagvidamvaram naradam paripapracha valmikir munipungavam konvasmin sampratam loke gunavan kasya viryavan dharmagyascha kritagyascha satyavakyo dudavratah charitrena cha koyuktah sarvabhuteshu kohitah vidwan kahakah samarthascha कश्चैक प्रियदर्शनः आत्मवान् कोजितः क्रोधः द्युतिमान् को न सूयकः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाश्च जातरोषस्य संयुगे एतदिच्छाम्यहं श्रोतुं परं कौतूहलं हि मे महर्षे त्वं समर्थोऽसि ज्ञातुम् एवं विदं नरम् समविभक्ताङ्गः
I think we are one.
श्रुत्वा चैतत्रिलोकज्ञः वाल्मीके नारदो वचः श्रूयताम् इति चामन्त्र्य प्रहृष्टो वाक्यमब्रवीत् बहवो दुर्लभाश्चैव ये त्वया कीर्तिता गुणाः मुने वक्ष्याम्यहं बुद्ध्वा तैर्युक्तः श्रूयताम् नरः इक्ष्वाकुवंशप्रभवः रामो नाम जनैः श्रुतः नियतात्मा महावीर्यः द्युतिमान् धृतिमान् वशे बुद्धिमान् नीतिमान् वाग्मी श्रीमान् शत्रुनिबर्हणः विपुलांसो महाबाहुः कम्बुग्रीवो महाहनुः महोरस्को महेश्वासः गूढजत्रुररिन्दमः आजानुबाहुः सुशिराः सुललाटः सुविक्रमः समविभक्ताङ्गः स्निग्धवर्णः प्रतापवान् पीनवक्षा विशालाक्षः लक्ष्मीवान् शुभलक्षणः धर्मज्ञः सत्यसन्धश्च प्रजानां च हिते रतः यशस्वी ज्ञानसम्पन्नः शुचिर्वश्य समाधिमान् प्रजापतिः समश्रीमान् धाता रिपुनिषूदनः रक्षिता जीवलोकस्य धर्मस्य परिरक्षिता रक्षिता स्वस्य धर्मस्य स्वजनस्य च रक्षिता वेदाङ्गतत्त्वज्ञः तनुर्वेदे च निष्ठितः सर्वशास्त्रार्थतत्त्वज्ञः स्मृतिमान् प्रतिभानवान् सर्वलोकप्रियः साधुः अदीनात्मा विचक्षणः सर्वदाभिगतः सद्भिः समुद्रैव सिन्धुभिः आर्यः सर्वसमश्चैव सदैकप्रियदर्शनः स च सर्वगुणोपेतः कौशल्यानन्दवर्धनः समुद्रैव गाम्भीर्ये धैर्येण हिमवानिव विष्णुना सदृशो वीर्ये सोमवत्प्रियदर्शनः कालाग्निसदृशः क्रोधे क्षमया पृथिवी समः धनदेन समस्त्यागे सत्ये धर्मैवापरः तमेवं गुणसम्पन्नं रामं सत्यपराक्रमं ज्येष्ठं श्रेष्ठगुणैर्युक्तं प्रियं दशरथसुतं प्रकृतीनां हतैर्युक्तं प्रकृतिप्रियकाम्यया. Okay, I think we did up to the next shloka. This is what we did last time. Ramya Mahodaya, yes, vadatu.
Mahodaya, while chanting, if there is like oh, it's like, for example, in sixth one, Krutva Chaitat Trilokagno is there.
Yes. That is. I'll take this one only. No, this 11th one. Pina Vaksha Vishalaksho Lakshmivan Shubhalakshanaha. Correct. So I chanted it as Pina Vaksha Vishalakshaha Lakshmivan Shubhalakshanaha. That is the question, no?
That O becomes Ahaya Visarga.
Yeah.
Like that.
That Okara is actually Visarga Sandhi there. That is right.
Oh.
Okay. Here also Vedanga Tattvagyo Dhanur Vede cha Nishtitaha.
Yeah, even in 10th also, 6th also.
Yeah. Lots of places that
O comes. Okay.
So I'll give you one more example. No, see here for instance. Okay, let's take this. Mahorasko Maheshwasaha Guna Jatrurindamaha. Whereas when I'm saying Mahorask, I'm not saying Mahoraskaha. The reason is I'm giving a pause here. So that Samhita will not be clean if I say Mahorasko Maheshwaso Goda Jatrurindamaha, that will be wrong. If I'm not giving any pause and chanting it as Mahorasko Maheshwaso Goda Jatrurindamaha, then it is okay. But if I'm giving a pause, Mahorasko Maheshwasaha Goda Jatrurindamaha, that is when I split it. Okay, that is the way it goes.
Fine. Thank you.
Okay. We did this last time. I hope this was clear. ऐच्छत् कः ऐच्छत् महीपतिः दशरथः ऐच्छत् किं कर्तुम् ऐच्छत् यौवराज्येन प्रीत्या संयोक्तुम् ऐच्छत् कं यौवराज्येन प्रीत्या संयोक्तुम् ऐच्छत् तम् एवं गुणसम्पन्नं सत्यपराक्रमं श्रेष्ठगुणैः युक्तं प्रकृतीनां हितैः युक्तं प्रियं ज्येष्ठं सुतं रामं. That is all adjectives for Rama. Correct? So Dasharatha wanted to coronate Sri Rama as the prince. This is what we did last time. Correct? I hope there are no questions on this.
Mahodaya, I am not able to do this Akanksha. You will teach us afterwards, right?
Okay. Akanksha. Akanksha is very simple. See, what you need to do is you need to find the Kriya Pada in this. Okay. Once you find the Kriya Pada, then you start asking questions around it. We have done Saptakakara, no?
Yes.
Okay. Kim kutra kati kada kuta katam kimatham. You can actually shout at someone like that. Kim kutra kati kada kuta katam kimatham. That's a good way of releasing your anger and not cursing somebody in the process. So you can do that. Anyway, so what you do is you start with the karta pada. Kaha aichat. Who was there? That is the first question that we ask. Mahipatihi Dasharataha aichat. Kim kartum aichat? Yauvarajyena Preetya Sanyoktum aichat. What did he want to do? Correct? Next, you start asking, who was to be anointed as the king? Kam Yauvarajyena Preetya Sanyoktum aichat. This is the way to do it. Okay. Another way to do it, Mahodaya, is straightforward. Take all the pada and collect all the Prathama Vibhakti, collect all the Dvitiya Vibhakti, collect all the Tritiya Vibhakti, and then put it in a sentence. That is what is Anvaya usually.
And then do the sentence.
Then write the sentence. Exactly. So instead of doing that, what we do is we ask these questions.
Okay.
Both the ways are straightforward. Mahipatihi Dasharataha tam evam gunasampannam satyaparakrmam shreshta gunaihi yuktam prakrtinam hitaihi yuktam priyam jeshtam sutam ramam. All these will become Dvitiya Vibhakti except for this Shreshta Gunaihi and Hitaihi. Because they come with Yuktam, Gunaihi Yuktam and Hitaihi Yuktam, it becomes this, comes in this Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Even if Gunaihi is okay, Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay.
Okay. Now here Sanyoktam is this is the Tuman Pratyaya. Okay. Sanyoktam aichat. Preetya Sanyoktam aichat. Correct?
Okay.
It is that straightforward about doing this. Okay, we did this. The Raja Dasharatha, we saw this. Okay, and we did this Bhavartha also. Dasharatha Nama Raja tam purvoktaihi gunaihi sampannam amoga parakramam uttamaihi gunaihi prajanam kalyanaihi yuktam priyam jeshtam putram ramam praja kalyanichaya saharsham yuvarajapadaya arohitum avanchat. This is Bhavartha.
What does avanchat mean?
Avanchat is vanchati is that kriya pada, that is the ichchati vanchati.
Okay.
Aichat, a plus ichat is aichat. Correct? Avanchat is lang lakara ekavachana, pradama purusha. Okay. Now let's move on. Okay, again same thing. Tasya abhisheka sambharan Tasya Sambaran Drishtva Bharya Takaikayim Purvam Dattavara Devim Varamenam Mayachatan Vivasanam Cha Ramasya Bharatasya Abhishechanam. This is straightforward, no? It is understandable.
Yes.
Kaikeyi asked for the vara that she had already. She had got as a boon earlier. Tasya Abhisheka Sambharan. Vibhakti Vachana for this, anybody?
Dvitiya
Bahuvachan.
Bahuvachan.
Uttam. Correct. Drishtva Bharya अथ कैकेयी पूर्वं दत्तवरा देवी वरं येनम् अयाचत विवासनं च रामस्य भरतस्य अभिषेचनम्. Okay. There are two kriya pada, drishtva and ayachata. Correct? Ka drishtva bharya atha kaikeyi drishtva. Ka drishtva tasya ramasya abhisheka sambharan drishtva. Correct? Ka ayachata पूर्वं दत्तवरा देवी येनम् अयाचत. किं येनम् अयाचत? रामस्य विवासनं भरतस्य अभिषेचनं च. To throw out Rama into the forest, to throw out Rama out of the city and ask for Bharata's this one. Okay. Atha tasya abhisheka sambharan drishtva sa is not there. I have put this sa. Bharya देवी कैकेयी पूर्वं दत्तवरा येनम् अयाचत रामस्य विवासनं भरतस्य अभिषेचनं च. Okay. This is tasya, this ramasya here. Abhisheka sambhara, abhishekaya susajjatan. Abhisheka sambharan is, see, this is a samasta padam. There is abhisheka. Sambharan is all the festivities that is going on around the abhisheka karikrama. Having seen all the Abhisheka Karikrama that is going on around, Vilokya, Bharya, Patni, that is Dasharatha's Patni, Devi Kaikeyi, Purvam Dattavara. Dattavara is this one of Kaikeyi here. Devi, Bharya, Kaikeyi, Dattavara. All these are synonymous. All these are adjectives for Kaikeyi. Okay. Dattavara. Dattavara is one who has obtained something earlier. Okay.
So that's why it's Strilinga Karta. That is why it's Strilinga. Dattavara is Strilinga.
Exactly. Okay. Prarthitavati. What did she ask for? She asked for Ramasya Vivasanam, Nirvasanam, Bharatasya Abhishechanam, Abhishekam, Kartum Aichat. Okay.
One thing, why is it Vivasanam and Abhishechanam?
Vivasanam, where is that?
Abhishechanam.
This is Vivasanam and Abhishechanam.
Why it is not Abhishekam but Abhishechanam? Abhishekam is comes from Abhishechanam. Abhishekam can also be done. See, that comes from Abhi is a upasarga. Okay. Shit is the dhatu. Okay, that Abhisheka comes, Abhishechanam is doing that. Abhishekam is okay, how do I explain this? Have you heard of the word Bhishaj? No.
What is Bhishaj?
Bhishaj, I don't know.
Anybody knows what is Bhishaj?
Heard.
No.
Ramya Madhya?
I heard somewhere, but I'm not able to recall.
Just something like Patanam and...
No. Prathamo Daivyo Bhishaka.
Oh, that this thing.
Rudra it comes.
Rudram. Yeah.
So, Bhishaj means a doctor.
Oh.
Prathamo Daivyo Bhishaka. He is the first doctor. Okay. So, Bhishak comes from the root Bhishaj. So, that Jakara is there, Bhishaj.
Okay.
It turns to Kakara due to some transformation when it comes to this one. Okay. So, similarly, Abhishaj, Abhisheka. That's how it transforms.
The word is Abhishaj. Pratipadikam is Abhishaj.
Yes, Abhishaj. But here Abhishachanam. Okay. So that is what it becomes. Okay.
But the dhatu is drish here.
Oh no, okay, that is wrong. That is okay, it's a mistake. Thank you. Yeah, that's a mistake. Change. It's very much this one. Abhishechana.
Okay.
Abhishechana, just like Vivasana.
Okay.
Okay. So that's how it comes. It's a noun. It's a noun. It's not a.
So it is akaranta napusakaling only.
Yes, it's an akaranta napusakaling.
Nakaranta or akaranta?
Huh?
Is it akaranta?
Akaranta. Abhishechanam.
Okay.
Abhishechanaha, Abhishechanao, Abhishechanaha. Abhishechanaha. Putra, putraha.
Okay.
Same. Okay. Clear? Any questions on this shloka? Okay. This is where Kaikeyi says he has to go.
Is it sich dhatu? No, sich dhatu.
Yeah, shich dhatu. If you are using in the lakara, this is from a. It has become a kridanta. From a kridanta, we have derived a noun form.
Lit.
Yes. Correct. Lit. That's right. That's how it is becoming this. So we're not getting into too much of Vyakarna details here because for this level it will be too high. That's all. Okay.
Sir, is this a single line shloka?
Which one?
21st.
No. Nothing is a.
half
There are
is-
no single line slokas in the entire Ramayana. So here. Purva Dattavara. Purvam Dattavara.
Tasyabhisheka. Tasyabhisheka Sambhara. This one.
This one. See, okay. This is where we last class. I think you were not there. No, correct. See, this is a 20th. I had to cut it off at one line here for the 21st because that was going with this shloka. That was a context. So in a context, we usually split this when we are doing Anvaya. That is all. Nothing is a single line shloka in the entire Ramayana. I have not seen at least a single line shloka. In other Puranas, we get a lot of single line shlokas also. But in this, there are none. So here, that's why you have one. Okay, I should probably do this. I'll do it next class. I'll put ... before that so that people will know. Okay, so we'll do a lot of these like this. So, okay, next one will also be like this, in fact. Yeah. Okay, here some Sandhi Visheshana. That is Purvam, that is Anuswara Sandhi. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi is Tasyabhisheka. Tasya plus Abhisheka.
You haven't taught us all this, right? Savarna Sandhi or...
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi I have taught, no?
Yes, and Dirgha Sandhi also.
Dirgha Sandhi, that's what. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, A plus A is A, E plus E is E.
Okay.
That we have done, no?
Okay, let me go back. I don't remember.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi is done and Yana Sandhi is done. We still need to do
Yana Sandhi,
Vriddhi Sandhi we have to do. Visarga Sandhi we have not done.
This Anuswara Sandhi also you have done?
Anuswara Sandhi is more or less, whenever there is we have done that in the Sasyam itself. Anuswara Sandhi is basically if you have this Makara in the end, it becomes Anuswara if there is a Vyanjana after that. If it is a Swara, it will be Makara.
Okay. I have no idea. Anyway.
Okay, we'll have to go back to Sasyam and check that once. That is called Anuswara Sandhi, but technically it was not taught as Anuswara Sandhi there. That's all. It was just the concept was given out. Okay. Then Abhishekasya Abhisheka Sambharan. Dattau Varau Yasyai Sa. One who was given the Vara. Okay, this is not important for now. This is just keep it as for the sake of knowing, we just putting it. All right. Can we move to the next one?
Yeah, so when we have to know the Padacheda meaning and the Sandhi, right?
Only if it is Swara Sandhi. I'll highlight the Sandhis that you need to know.
Okay.
Not all sandhis, some sandhis.
Okay.
This one, Savarna Dirgha, you will have to know, Anuswara, you will have to know. Yeah. Okay. स सत्यवचनाद् राजा धर्मपाशेन संयतः विवासयामास सुतं रामं दशरथः प्रियम्. Simple, straightforward.
Yeah.
Okay. Saha satyavachanat raja. See, here there is a sandhi here. Satyavachanat. It becomes satyavachanad. Dakara it becomes. This is not there in this year. Okay, you can ignore the sandhi here, but it is there. Just know that it will be there. Dharma pashena sanyataha vivasayamasa sutam ramam dasharatah priyam. Okay. Vivasayamasa is the kriyapadam. Kaha vivasayamasa? Saha Raja Dasharatha. All these are Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana, no Kartapada.
Yes.
Right? Katham Kena Sanyataha Raja Satyavachanat Dharmapashena Sanyataha. So, Saha Sanyataha Raja Dasharatha. That's what it will come. Sanyataha is also that only.
Prathama Vibhakti.
That has to go with Satyavachanat Dharmapashena Sanyata. One who was embodied with these things. Correct? Tam Vivasayamasa, all the karma pada. Sutam Ramam Priyam. Priyam Sutam Ramam. Vivasayamasa. So the Anvaya will be simple. Satyavachanat Dharmapashena Sanyataha. Saha Raja Dasharatha Priyam Sutam Ramam Vivasayamasa. He threw Rama out of the kingdom. That is what it means. Okay. Okay. Satyavachanat. This is okay. Satyavachanat, what Vibhakti Vachana?
Panchami.
Panchami. That is Apadana. Apadana. Sati pratigyatvat. One who was in Satyavachana. Dharma Pashena. What is Pasha?
The rope or rope, they call it that chart type, they say.
Okay, correct. Pasha, that is what is Pasha. Okay. Yama Pasha, Dharma Pasha, all this comes up. Yes. Ashwini Madhya, you are saying something?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Dharma Pasha is one who is tied with that Pasha. Okay. Sanyataha, Baddaha, one who is tied with that, who is always engulfed with it. Saha. Saha is known. Raja, Rajan. Okay. Dasharataha, Priyam, Sutam, Ramam. All this is straightforward. Okay. See here, it is Vivasayamasa. There is what is called Lit Lakara. Okay. This is a usage of Lit Lakara. This is not, this is Abhuta Purva. That is what it is said, no? That is, you have Lang Lakara. Which, if it was Lang Lakara, what would it be?
Past tense.
I know, but what would it have been?
Bhuta Pradanta. That one.
Avivas Samasa.
No.
Avasat.
Avasat. Vivyavasat. Correct? But here there's a Nijantam also. Okay. So, Nivyas is Nivyasayat.
Avasat, V plus Avasat, it will become, right?
See, this was Vasayati. Vasayati. Vasati, Nij Dhatu, Nij will make it Vasayati. Avasayat.
What is this Nij Dhatu? What is Nij then?
Nijantam. Okay. You have Patati, correct? You can make it Patayati.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, one who is doing this. Okay. Vasati is one who is living. Correct? Vasayati is someone who is making somebody live. Correct? Vivasayati, throwing out. Avyasayati. Avyasayat. That's how it would have been in this is Paroksha Bhuta. Lit is Paroksha Bhuta. Okay. He threw him out. Yeah.
But the difference between Lang Lakara and this Lit Lakara, what exactly is the difference?
That is Paroksha Bhuta. Okay, how do I explain this? Something that has happened in the distant past versus what has happened today. Lit Lakara is usually used. See, this Lit Lakara is not very commonly used always. It is used when something had happened in the very distant past. You have to say something. Then you will say that this is what has happened. But if you have to say something happening today, abhavat, or yesterday or something like that, it is that way. So there is Paroksha Bhuta. Or not in your view.
Which we have not actually seen, but we have heard about it.
Something like that. Something like that.
But in most of the slokas, only lit is used instead of lang.
Shlokas, a lot of shlokas, especially Valmiki uses a lot of lit. That is true. But that is not true with every other this one that comes. Every other Purana and every other place you see a lot of Bhutakala or Ling Lakara. Okay, so or Kridanta. Those come in very much more easily. Shlokas, a lot of shlokas you will see lit though. That is true. So do you want me to bring a sense of what is lit lakara in the next class?
Yes, let us at least understand what it is.
Huh?
It is better be used at many places.
Huh?
We can do it because it is being used at many
in many places. Well, I'll get that. I'll get this one so that we are all aware of what it is. Yeah. I will do that. Next class, I'll bring that.
So when we are doing this, separate or recognition of the karta and all that, at that time you will have to write this lit or lot or whatever it is.
Yes.
Okay, then we should know what is lit.
We will need to know. I'll get that in the next one. Okay. That bhave prayoga, lit lakara and all is part of it. Yes, it is there. I'll get that. Okay. So here there is nothing much. Satyavachanat, Satyam Vachanam Yasya Saha Satyavachanah Tasmat. Dharma eva pasha tena. One who is bound by that dharma. As she said, rope of dharma, if you want to call it. Okay. Any questions? Satyavachanat Rama Dharma Pashena Sanyatah Vivasayamasa Sutam Ramam Dasharatah Priyam. Questions?
Okay.
Sir, this Jushtva Sandhi is same as which is in Marathi and Kannada, that ka will become ga.
Yes. There is the same thing. It is not there. So I'm not concentrating on it. But yes, it is exactly the same thing. All Indian languages, wherever you see Sandhi, apart from Tamil, most other Indian languages have Sandhi and Samasa. It is exactly the same as it is there in Sanskritam. There is no change whatsoever. You can take it for granted. Okay. So nothing to worry about it. If you know that, take it as that. Okay. Okay. Sajagama vanam virah pratigyam anupalayan peturvachana nirdeshat kaikeya priyakaranat. Okay. Who is Sa here? Saha. This is Saha. Who is Saha? Rama. Saha jagama vanam viraha pratigyam anupalayan. Pituho vachana nirdeshat kaikeya priyakaranat. It is straightforward.
Yes.
He went to the forest to follow something.
Follow his father's advice.
Father's Vachana
Father's
Nirdesha.
promise.
Because of Kaikeyi's Priya Karanat. Okay.
So whose love for Kaikeyi? Dasharatha's or Rama's?
Dasharatha's, obviously.
Okay.
Dasharatha's. Kaikeyaha Priya Karanat Pituh Vachana Nirdeshat Saha Vanam Jaga Saha Veeraha Pratigya Pituh Pratigya Manupalayan Vanam Jaga. We'll do that. Jagama. Kaha Jagama? Saha Veeraha Jagama. Kutra Jagama? Vanam Jagama.
So what lingam is this Jagama?
That will come.
Yeah.
Moving around.
Okay.
We'll do that. We'll do that in the next slide. Very next slide. Hold on.
Sure.
Kibartam Jagama. Pratyam Anupalayan.
Jagama went. Okay.
Went to the forest. Tasmat Jagama Pituh Vachana Nirdeshat Kaikeya Priyakaranaat cha Anujagama.
So here Kriya is Jagama.
Jagama. Correct. So if you look at this is Gam Dhatu again, Litlakar.
Oh.
Okay. So this is what it becomes. Okay. Janakasya Agyayat Bharatamatuhu Priyahetoho Shuraha Sandhana Pratigyam Anupalayan Vanam Jagama. Let's do it here. Yeah. Pituhu Vachana Nirdeshat Kaikeya Priyakaranat Saha Veeraha Pratigya Pitu Pratigya Manupalayan Vanam Jagama. Is this clear, or are there any doubts on this?
Yeah, so when you say Cha Kaikeya Priya Karanat, I thought Rama's love for Kaikeyi.
Both, you can take it as both actually.
Okay.
Yeah, you can take it as both.
The Pituhu is for Pratignya. Pratigyam is for Pituhu.
Pituhu Pratigyam Anupalayan. Yes, Pituhu Pratigyam Anupalayan. Father's Pratigya.
Pratigyam is what the word
promise.
Kartari. I'm sorry. If it's what type of Pratigyam?
Pratigya. Akara Stiliga Karma.
Yeah. Dvitiya.
That is all.
Dvitiya. Okay.
But
Pratigyam is Ekavachanam Karma. Okay.
Ekavachana, yeah.
Yeah.
Mahodaya, the Apadana, how it fits here, I'm not able to understand. The Panchami.
Panchami, Priyakarana. Okay, this one here.
There are two Panchami.
This one, no?
Two are there.
Okay.
What fits here?
Okay. Saha Veeraha Pituhu Pratigyam Anupalayan. Okay, no. Okay. Pituhu will go with both these. Vachana Nirdeshat and Pratigyam Anupalayan. So this Pituhu should be in both the places. That is implied. Saha Veeraha Pituhu Vachana Nirdeshat Pratigyam Anupalayan Kaikeyaha Priyakaranat Vanam Jagama. Does that make sense?
I was not able to understand why Panchami comes here.
Which one?
Both.
Vachana Nirdeshat.
Oh, Vachana Nirdeshat and Priyakaranat. Okay. So you are saying it should have been in Tritiya?
I think it's not, and I'm not able to understand why Panchami comes.
Okay. There is a separation, no? Priyakaranat and Vachana Nirdeshat. Something was said, and because of that, this one he followed something. There was a separation based on that. Vachana Nirdeshat. Vachana Nirdeshat akaryam karoto. So follow this order follow this as per the order.
Actually, it should have been Tritiya, right? It could have been or.
No. Here, Vachana Nirdeshat Gatavan.
Fathers, but because of a father's order or Nirdesham order,
he left.
Should be, seems it should be Dvitiya.
No, that is the catch when you are translating things. It becomes a challenge. See, apadana is usually for any separation. Whenever there is a degree of separation that is happening, any nirdesha, nirdeshat, nirdeshena is not used. Nirdeshena is with the order. See, if you use it as with the order, then it becomes a different story. And by the order versus follow the order. So that there are 3 or 4 different ways. So that is why it becomes this here. He went away because of the Vachana Nirdesha and Priya Karana. Okay. So something that was said, something that was thrown at you. Vrikshat patat apatat.
From the tree. From the tree.
Mukhat agachat. So here they should be seen as some words coming out of somewhere.
A father.
So that is the way it will imply here. It's an imply. A lot of places Tritiya and Panchami are interchanged. Similarly, Dvitiya and Chaturthi are interchanged in a lot of ways. So if you see a lot of these shlokas, you'll either have them in Dvitiya Vibhakti or Chaturthi Vibhakti. That is Karma or Sampradana. Ramaya Nama. Ramam Namate. Okay. So it goes both ways. That these two are used in a lot of ways. Yeah. Any other questions, Madhya?
No, Madhya.
Okay. I think then we can do this. Okay. Pituhu Vachana, I will not do this. Vachana Nirdesha, Vachanam cha Nirdesham cha Tasmat. Priya Karanat, Priyancha Tat Karanam Tasmat. There are two this one here. This is the Samasta Padam here. So just know this. There is nothing very important here. Janakasya Agyayat Bharata Matuhu Priyahetoho cha Saha Shuraha Pratigyam Anupalayan Saha Ramaha Pitu Pratigyam Anupalayan. I can put it here. This Pitu can be here also. Or Janakasya Pratigyam Anusaran Palayan cha Vanam Gatavan. Is this making sense, Mahodaya? Subramani Mahodaya?
Yeah, that makes sense, Mahodaya.
This makes sense. No, see here, Janakasya I can put here also. Janakasya Abhyayat Bharata Matuhu Priyahetoho cha Saha Janakasya Pratigyam Anusaran Palayancha Vanam Gatavan.
Okay, Janaka here is the father, right?
Father. Janaka is not that Janaka. Janaka is not Sita's father here.
That's right. Yeah, okay.
Janaka is father, Rama's father only. You're still with Rama's father. We are yet to go to his father-in-law. Hold on. So, yeah. Okay. Okay. Here again. Tam vrajantam priyo bhrata Lakshmano nujagamaha Snehad vinaya sampannaha Sumitra anandavardanaha Bhrataram dayito bhratuho Saubhratram manudarshayan. Okay, let me do the Padacheda and come back. So this will clear your, this one, Ashwini Mahodaya, this will clear your doubt. See, here also we have 25th shloka. I am taking one part of this 26th shloka here. Just to make this shloka, just to make this context clear here. Because next shloka onwards, Sita comes in. So, to make sure we are only with Lakshmana here, I have to close this with this part. Otherwise, we'll get confused between Lakshmana and Sita in the next shloka. Tam vrajantam Priyaha Bhrata Lakshmanaha Anujagamaha. This ha, tu, ha, api, all these are used as placeholders in a lot of places. Okay. Snehat Vinaya Sampannaha Sumitra Anandavardhanaha. We saw this in Kaushalya. Okay. Bhrataram Daitaha Bhratuhu Saubhratram Anudarshayan. Okay. Okay. Kriyapadam Anujagama. Kaha Anujagama. What is Anujagama?
Went with.
Followed. Jagama is the lit lakara. Same, this one, anu jagama is followed. Kaha anu jagama? Priyaha bhrata vinaya sampannaha sumitranandavardanaha lakshmanaha anu jagama. Kam anu jagama? Vrajantam bhrataram. One who was already going. This is karma pada. Correct? Ram anu jagama. Lakshmanaha Ramam anu jagama. Kimartham anu jagama? Snehat Saubhratram Anudarshayan. To showcase his sneha. Because of sneha, it led. See here, Subramaniam, this will clear things. Snehat Saubhratram. This is Panchami Vibhakti, right?
Yes.
Sneha leading to Saubhratram. There's a transformation happening here.
Okay.
Similarly, there, that Priya Darshanat, Kaikeyaha Priya Darshanat, there was a transformation happening to Pratigya. Correct? So, to show that he followed. Lakshmana Kasya Daitaha, Lakshmana Bhratuhu Daitaha. I show what Daitaha is. So hold on.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, exactly. Hold on. Viraya Sampannaha Sumitranandavardanaha Bhratuhu Daitaha Priyaha Bhrata Lakshmanaha Snehat Saubhratram Anudarshayan Tam Prajantam Bhrataram, that is Ramam Anujagama. Clear?
Yeah.
Until this point it is clear? Okay.
Daitaha and Priyaha both are the same meaning, right?
Yes. Yes, okay. We come to that. That's where I said, hold on. See, that's where I said, Daitaha is exactly Priyaha.
Priyaha and then Ishtaha. So, okay. Priyaha, Priyaha.
You can't do much about it. Ishtaha. So,
then why is it given twice?
That is just
emphasize.
Always emphasize a lot of things.
Okay.
And but in the RSS book, it gives a different meaning. Daitaha is a favorite and Priyataha is a loving.
Correct. So there are this. There are these fine line. This one, affectionate. Affectionate is the right word for Daitaha. Affectionate. He was affectionate. Okay. Vinaya
so Daita, all this is for Lakshmana, right? Daita.
This is all for Lakshmana. This is all for Lakshmana. That's where I said that 3 lines are brought for Lakshmana. These are all things of Lakshmana. Vinamraha, Sumitra Priyavardhakaha.
Bhratuhu.
Bhratuhi Agrajasya Ramasya.
And till Bhrata.
Bhratru. Sambandha pada. Shashti Vibhakti.
Sir, Anuyayi word also comes from Anujagama. Anuyayi word also comes from Anujagama.
Anujagama, no. It comes from Yata. Yadhatu.
But Yati. Quite similar. Anuyayi.
Yes, it is very similar. See, Gam and Yati. They both are, Yadhatu and Gam Dhatu are very closely related. Ya is also to go. Okay. Yes. Tejal Mahodaya vadatu.
Actually, Anu upsargah asti, tasya arth follow something. So, Anu darshayan, having shown.
Correct.
Similarly, Anuyayi means having followed, following that some Anu artha to follow, to go behind something.
Yes. Her question was.
Anusaran, Anukaran iti asti.
Mahodaya, you're absolutely right. Her question was, is Anuyati also coming from Anujagama? Okay. So this is coming from Gam Dhatu, whereas Anuyati is coming from Yadhatu. That is the difference there. That is all. Otherwise, what you say is that, right? Anu is always used whenever something is following something else. Anu,
Yanam you get from Ya, right? Yanam.
Yanam comes from Ya. Absolutely. Yes. Correct. Okay. Snehat, Anuragad, Saumya Bhratru Bhavam, Anudarshayan, Anujagama. Okay. Tam Gachantam, that is Rajantam is a Kridanta here. Okay. Bhrataram Anujagama. Okay. Vinamraha Sumitra Priyavardakaha. Agrajasya Ramasya Priyaha Ishtaha Anujaha Lakshmanaha Anuragat Saumya Bhratrubhavam Acharan Ramam Gachantam Ramam sorry, this Ram should come here. Gachantam Agrajam Ramam Anugatavan.
Vinamraha.
Huh?
Vinamraha, the first word. Vinamraha.
Vinamraha. Where is Vinamraha? Vinamraha.
first word.
Vinamraha is, yeah, Vinamraha. Vinamraha is here, no?
Humble, no?
Yeah.
Oh,
Vinay
okay.
Sampannaha.
Okay.
Vinamra is somebody who is humble.
Humble. Okay.
Humble. Humility.
Okay.
Yeah. Any questions on this?
Lot of adjectives. Vishesh.
Lot of adjectives. Yes. If you want to master adjectives, just read Ramayana and you'll be a master of adjectives. Full of, see, things like Dayitaha, then Vinaya Sampannaha, then
physical attributes before. Yeah.
Yes, we saw physical attributes.
Yeah.
We saw physical attributes. We saw character qualities.
Yeah.
Lots of things come up here. Yes, it's full of Ramayana is full of bhava. Okay. So do we have 5 minutes?
Sampannaha is used at many places. Guna Sampannaha.
Yes, Guna Sampannaha.
Full of, nice. Sampanna is full of.
Yes. So I wanted to talk a little bit about, when this is going on, there is, see, this Sangshepa Ramayana brings about a lot of things, but when you read the full Ramayana, it brings a lot more things than just this much. So in fact, when Rama goes, the conversation is between Rama, Lakshmana, and Kaushalya. When he goes, in fact, this is a very good story to understand what can go wrong because of no fault of yours. Mahabharata is very different in the sense that, you commit a mistake, you go wrong, and then you compound those mistakes and things go on. Ramayana is very different in the sense that for no fault of Rama, for no reason, evening he is told he needs to become the king. He is enjoying himself at midnight. Early in the morning, he is called to his father's palace just a couple of hours before he is to be coronated and said, get out. I mean, that is the kind of this one that comes out in this. Okay. So that is a very strong message, that you don't need, you can't assume only good things will happen to you. And that is a very strong thing. In fact, Lakshmana, when he tells Lakshmana says, this is wrong. This should not happen.
You should fight with father.
You take over the kingdom. You take over the kingdom. Now we'll do a quote-unquote coup. What goes as coup today. So at that time, Rama counsels and does things. Another point that I wanted to bring about is that there is a lot of things about this whole thing about I think I'll talk about this in the next class, probably. This women empowerment and the way women and all these things that go on. I want to talk a little bit about it and how women in those days, what is it that they were being protected by? Because there's a beautiful conversation where Rama asks, how is it that I need to protect you when I am gone to Kaushalya? As a son, it's my duty to take care. Now that people have rebelled. Now Kaikeyi has rebelled. Now there is no way, you don't know what the next situation will be. How should I be protected? I'll bring about a few things at that point. And what those points are, we'll see in the next class probably. Okay. Next class. Yes. Next class, I happen to be traveling on Thursday. Okay. So what is a convenient, Wednesday onwards I'm traveling. Wednesday also I'm not there. So what is a good day to have the class?
Wednesday is what date will be?
Wednesday is not possible for me. Wednesday
no,
is also...
date. I want to know the date.
22nd.
22nd. I'm also traveling from 20 to 24. So
okay. Very good.
I'm also traveling.
Why, everybody is traveling next week?
I'm here.
Okay, you are here. 21st Tuesday, is it a good day? Punarmilama Jaita Mohdaya. Dhanyavadaha. Is Tuesday a good day?
I'm good with that.
Can we have it on 24th evening?
No,
No,
I'm
what
traveling
day is
on
that?
26th, 25th, 26th, I'm not there.
Any day is good. 1 hour earlier would be so great, Maudya, because after the winter time change, no, exactly, it starts at 2:30. I have to go to school, pick up my daughter. So I
Okay.
attend actively for half an hour, and then I have to pick up the car, go.
Understand.
So, I'm always in mute. So
Understand. Tuesday, shall we do Tuesday at 6? Is it okay for everyone? Subramani Mahodaya will have a little challenge, I know that.
No problem. I'll catch up in the videos.
Okay, we'll catch up. Okay, shall we do Tuesday 21st?
6 o'clock, not possible for us. Gita class.
Oh, we have
6
got
o'clock Gita classes there. Oh, you are the six classes people. So 6
Yes,
days,
yes.
people.
Yes.
Okay, then tell me a day. We'll do it on that day. Monday.
Monday. Oh, evening I won't be there. Anyway, it's already Monday. You can have.
Monday is possible for everyone. Okay. Ashwini Mahodaya, please do me a favor. Please put a poll on the group and ask for a good day. I think we'll just go with that.
Sure, sir.
We'll ask the priest.
Yes, last resort of what we can do. Okay. Okay. Next week we'll talk a little more about this 3 guna and 3. This one with Sita and other things. All right.
We could do it on Sunday if it's acceptable.
Sunday
So,
night.
Sunday is final match.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah,
Virat Kohli fans are
there
there
we
again, so we can't do anything about such things. No. Yeah. Okay. So put a poll out and we'll do it. All right. Yeah.
If it is otherwise, then any day is acceptable because I have to see the video only.
Okay. Just put it that way. Okay. Oh, Saturday is also okay with me. Not 25th, but the previous Saturday. 19th is okay with me. 18th is okay with me. Okay. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः को ब्राह्मणेभ्यो शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अधनात् सतनात् सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतं शृण्वन् रामायणं भक्त्या स याति पदमेव वा स याति ब्रह्मणस्थानं ब्रह्मणा पूज्यते सदा हरिः ओम् धन्यवादाः सर्वे
धन्यवादः महोदय.
Dhanyavada.
hope this level is